Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS, 4-speed, 4-barrel, 327. If you want more information on this car, go down to the description and click on the link below. Be sure to like and subscribe so we can give you more content like this. I'm going to start off with the front fascia of the 64, extremely clean. I would call this a driver quality car, 7.5 out of 10 in regards to paint quality. You can look down the sides of it, shows very well. I want to show off the chrome. Chrome is extremely nice. Looks like an older finish. Let me pop the hood. I'm going to show you how it looks under there. It's nice and detailed. You've got a 327 with a 4-barrel carb, correct lines going to it. This is a power steering and a power brake car as well. Brand new battery. We just replaced the horn relay. Just a nice solid car to drive around. 4-speed shift's nice. Let's go ahead and walk down the passenger side first, and then we'll go to the driver's side since we're going to go for a ride later. Passenger side is extremely clean. You can see the SS hubcaps, and they look great. Your body lines are even throughout. The trim looks good. All of your bright work looks good, and my favorite part of this whole car is the white painted roof. It just makes it perfect. It pops, it looks great. You've got your beveled stainless right here for that design that they have, and that goes in throughout on the dash as well. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the door. You can see how nice it is. Door cards look good. They have minor wear. Carpet looks really nice. Your interior is in great shape. You can fold it forward and you can see how nice that is. You've got your Fisher panels, and then you can look throughout here and see that it's nice and solid. I'm gonna close the door now. We'll continue on to the rear section. While you look at that quarter, I'm gonna grab the key. All right, so the passenger side quarter looks great. All the emblems look good. Impala SS, because this is a real deal SS. We're gonna show you the trim tag in the description. Let me open up the trunk. Chrome on the bumper is really nice. It's got the tri-style taillights, and the bezels are original. They're showing a little bit of age, and I do see some cracking in the plastic, but nothing bad. Impala SS emblem right here. Then you see that bezeling throughout the trim and bright work. When I open this up, you're going to see a very detailed trunk. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty solid. Looks good. Let's see under here. Oh yeah, that's nice. Nice and clean. Spare tire with a jack. And then you have your jacking instructions here. Looks like they included a radio. That's awesome. I didn't even know that they had that in here. I haven't opened the trunk. Oh, that's great. Well, look at all the gaskets too before I close it. Nice and solid. Minor body work. Nothing too bad. Let me close it. Driver's side quarter looks great. So does the trim. Let me open up the gas cap. You can see that it's nice and clean inside here. Ooh, that smells good. Smell that. Let me open up the driver's side door. Before I do that, look at how nice the body lines are. Shows really well. And those caps just look great. Dual exhaust, it's a true dual exhaust car. Has the correct seat belts. It's a very sorted car. I mean, the steering wheel's proper. There's your shifter. Interior is extremely clean. We're actually gonna take this car to FedEx so you guys get to see it run and drive while we go drop off a package. Why don't you go ahead and listen to it start up. Emergency brake works as it should. You can release it, and it'll stop the car as well. Just put the key in. Had to give it a little bit of gas. You can see that. Starts up with ease. You've got the correct tack here, and our brake light is illuminating because the emergency brake's on. Our horn, we had to actually move it because the wire inside the column had an issue. So every single time we would shut the car off, the solenoid wouldn't turn off. So your horn button's down there, just something that you had to do. Also, the radio box that you saw, it's already been installed in the car, and this is pretty neat because it's all digital. I love that. There's your ashtray. Looks like it's got, oh, look at that. That's where your USB charger is for your phone. That's amazing. glove box is nice. It has documentation in there as well, a little book, and it does have a padded dash. Jump on in, let's go for a ride. Interior is very nice. You've got 2 bucket seats. You have your shifter right here. This is a mechanism for reverse. Your tachometer works as it should. And then our brake light is flickering because the emergency brake is still on. As I said, we have the digital radio. Headliner is killer. Looks really, really nice. And the lights are operating as they should. Your air condition works as it should. Put that back. Lights work and the dash does illuminate. It looks like the brights are on. Let's turn those off. Just a solid car. SS emblems throughout. Let's go to FedEx. Got a lot of construction going on over here. Look at those thumbs ups. Love it. Transition feels great. Shifts smooth. This is what I'm talking about. This should be illegal. These guys keep on unloading cars in the middle of the road. Feels good. Shifts nice. We're in 4th gear right now, going about 45 miles an hour with no issues. Got to drop off a title to FedEx for a customer that bought a car. Steering is responsive too, and brakes, they feel great. So you can push the brakes, it stops evenly. I've never seen this much traffic on this road. Oh, this guy's, man. I'm downshifting in a second now. Feels good. What we'll do is we'll put it in 1st gear. Give it a little bit of gas. This is a 55 miles an hour. Feels really good. Nice and smooth over bumps. If you have any questions about this car, give us a call. 954-363-2261. Let's downshift it into 3rd. Here back, gotta drop this off and then we'll keep going on that test drive. We got a little incident. So I threw the envelope on the roller and it fell in between the rollers. I'm gonna come back and tell them to pick it up after. All right, we just dropped off the package. Back to the office so you can make your decision on if this is the right car for you. Reverse is easy. You just pull up on this handle, release your brake, and pull the clutch. All right, we're gonna go into 3rd gear now. Nice and smooth, 4th. And then when we get to 60, what I'd like to do is test out the brakes. No one behind us. Push on the brakes, it's stopping even. That's perfect, that's what I like to see. Real nice sorted car. It's a good runner. If you have any questions about this car, give us a call, 954-363-2261. I'm gonna drop your seat off and do some drive-bys.